Ready for cold weather. Slowing down. Hedgehogs sleep in winter. A hedgehog gathers leaves. It carries them in its mouth and makes a pile. Why? The animal is making a winter nest. It will soon hibernate. That means it goes into a long, deep sleep. Some hedgehogs live in places where winter is cold. Food is hard to find. The hedgehogs eat a lot of food in the fall. They store fat in their bodies. When the animals hibernate, they live off the extra fat. During their long winter sleep, the animals use very little energy. They do not move. Their body temperatures drop. Their hearts beat slowly. They breathe slowly too. When the weather gets warmer in March or April, the hedgehogs are hungry. They leave their nests to eat again. What do hedgehogs like best? Insects, worms, snails, and slugs. Caption: A hedgehog eats an earthworm.